Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to your admin panel in Salesforce. So you can just go to the admin dashboard and simply it will be something similar to this. After that, you will need just to seek or search for the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. So here we can find this WooCommerce plugin or add-on that is here, and you can, for example, go to settings and search for the delete button, etc. So what we need to do is to simply go to the plugins, and basically here we will find the plugins. So now all we need to do is to search for our WooCommerce plugin, and here we will find it here. So now you will need to click on deactivate. And basically after deactivating uh, um, a plugin, you will be able to delete it. So as you can see, this one is already deactivated and now we have this delete button. So you will need just to click on delete for your WooCommerce plugin. You click on OK, and then you will have your uh, plugin that will disappear successfully. So simply, this is how you can do it. And whenever you want to get it back, you will need just to go to add new plugin, and after that, you will need just to search for WooCommerce, and then you will be able to start searching for your WooCommerce plugin, and you will be able to add it again to your system or to your WordPress. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.